Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of pixel art with the unboxing and review of the Divoom Pixoo 64, a Wi-Fi pixel digital frame that promises to bring a new level of creativity and fun to your space. Let's dive right in. First, let's peel off the protective packaging. Inside the box we find the Pixoo 64 frame, a 2-meter USB-C cable for power, and a user manual. Here it is, the Pixoo 64, featuring a sleek and minimalist design. It's made of high quality plastic with a matte finish. The frame is available in classic black, which complements any room decor. The Pixoo 64 boasts a 64 by 64 LED panel, totaling 4,096 individual LEDs. Each pixel comes to life with incredible details, making your pixel art animations pop. Setting up is just a breeze. Just connect it to your Wi-Fi using the Divoom app. Now let's talk about features. Pixel art canvas. Create your own pixel art designs or choose from a library of cool animations. Smart alarm. Wake up to a personalized messages or pixel art. It's like having your own digital artist. Versatile toolbox. Use it as a countdown timer, weather display, or even social media tracker. Social media tracker and game KDA. Track your social media channel performance and celebrate milestones. Fetch your in-game KDA performance to sharpen your gaming skills. Lighting decoration and display customization. Lighting decoration and display. Perfect for room decor. Hang it up as a backdrop, promo sign, or desktop decor with your NFT collection. Wi-Fi connection with more possibilities. Powered by the Divoom app, the Pixoo 64 evolves with new skills through software updates. Supporting smart home ecosystems like Amazon Alexa and Google Home, it also supports If That Then This and REST API. In conclusion, the Divoom Pixoo 64 is a versatile and fun device that brings pixel art to life. With its high quality display, sleek design, and intuitive companion app, it's a must-have for anyone looking to add that unique touch to their space. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and check out our other content and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and unboxings. Also, check out the links in the description for more details. See you in the next video.